So sometimes your customer may refuse to shop from your website. They just prefer the shopping from your Instagram DMs, and that's okay. At the end of the day, a sale is a sale. So what you do, the main benefits from shopping from your website now for you is the other processes apart from collecting the money. If it's the Become Tiny part or the shipping part, everything is done automatically, and you get all the order details in one place. So what you can do is go ahead and check out on the customer on behalf of the customer, right? So what you do is you visit your website, right? Then add all the items that the customer wants to your cart. You're just doing the same process. It's like you're buying from your website, but instead of you paying for the order, it's your customer paying for the order, right? So go ahead, and for my case, I'll just buy the one mini notebook. Then when it comes to the email, ask the customer for their details. What's your email address? What's your phone number, right? So put the customer's details here on the checkout page. Same for their name, their first and last name. Then obviously, whether they're shopping from your DM, whether they're shopping from the website, you have to ask them which shipping method they're using, right? Maybe for this case, they're using, they'll come and pick it at your pickup point, right? Then, assuming this is the customer's details, now go ahead and click place order, right? Then, when it comes to the payment page, now just enter the customer's M-Pesa. Now, if the customer is, maybe the customer is busy at the moment, or they're a bit held up, maybe they'll get to paying in like a few minutes from now. What you can do is copy this link and now send it to the customer. So if you're on your phone, just tap on that address bar that you see at the top of your browser, or just look for a way to copy the link to this page and now send it to your customer and tell them, hi, use this link to pay. But remember, this link expires. It expires in like 10-15 minutes. Okay, so if you have a choice. You can either prompt the customer, either put in their M-Pesa number, or if they want to pay via card or pay with themselves, now copy this link, copy the link of this page and send it to the customer so that they can now pay for that order. And you get all your records in one place, all orders, because when you sell on your DMs, you sell, but at the end of the day, you forget. You might forget that you had an order over here. You might forget you had an order on WhatsApp. It's a bit hard to reconcile at the end of the day, as compared to now having your orders all in one place, and now just coming and seeing all the orders over here, right? So that the point is, check out on behalf of your customers, right? Okay, so thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.